Кайырлы күн. Менин аты жөнүм Курмангалиев Мурат Кубатұлы. Мен Талғар агробизнес және менеджмент колледжінің ағылшын тілі пәнінің оқушысымын. 2019 жылдан бері осы мекемеде ағылшын тілі пәнінен сабақ беремін. Бүгінгі онлайн сабағым Seasons мезгілдер туралы.
Okay, students, today we are going to tell about seasons. As you know, we have 4 seasons in 1 year. It is summer, autumn, winter, and spring. So, for example, after summer comes autumn. After autumn comes winter. After winter comes spring, and after spring comes summer. So, for example, what's your favorite season? I like summer best of all. So, as you know, we have 12 months. For example, spring months, March, April, May. Summer months, June, July, August. Autumn months, September, October, November. And last one, winter months, December, January, February. Well, what about the weather? How we can ask question, how is the weather today? It's cold in winter, it's hot in summer, it is rainy in autumn, it is snowy in winter. Sun, it's sunny. Snow, snowy. It is rain, it is rainy. So that's all. Thank you for your attention.